Hello students, big news. YUVIKA 2026 registration has started. If you're a school student and you dream of visiting ISRO and interacting with real scientists, then this video is only for you. Today I will give you complete step-by-step guide to register for YUVIKA 2026 properly without any mistake. So watch this video till end because even a small error can lead to rejection. So once you click on the link given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video, it will take you to this official website of ISRO YUVIKA 2026. So now let us scroll down here. Once you scroll down here, you will get the introduction about this program, important dates. The first important thing, registration is starting today, which is 27th Feb, and its end on 31st March. And they are going to publish first this list on 13 April and second confirmation list on 20 April, and program will start on 11th May and it will end on 22 May. Now here is the selection criteria. So they have divided 100% into different categories, like class 8 result has 50% weightage, performance in online quiz has 10% weightage. Like this, difference are there. Now if you scroll down, here one more important thing is there, that only students studying in class 9th as on Jan 1 2026 are eligible to apply. Means at present who are in class 9 and in April they will be going in class 10th. Only those students are eligible for that. And one more thing, before applying you should download the bona fide certificate and you need to get it signed by a principal of your school. So you need your school principal signature on bona fide certificate as well. Now you need to click here to apply for YUVIKA registration. So now let's click here. Once you click on, you will get to this login page. So here it's written please log into your account, but we have not created any account. So first we need to register. So now let's click on register button. Now registration form is open. Here it's written registration for Antriksh Jigyasa. So here first you need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, your email ID, your mobile number and your password. Password should be of 8 character, uppercase and lowercase included, numbers and symbol. Then you need to select your country, your state, and you need to enter the captcha here. After that you need to click on register. Once you complete your registration, you are going to get login ID and password. After that you can easily log in. After that you are going to get this message, registration successful, please check your mail and activate your account. So you need to go on your registered mail and you need to activate your account. So you are going to get this mail like welcome to ISRO STEM program. Please activate your account by clicking on following link. So you need to click on this link and your account will get activated. So now let's click on this link. Now you are going to get this message, activated account. So that means your account is activated. Now let's click on login button for login. So let's log in here. Now you need to enter that your email ID which you have used for registration and the password which you have chosen. Enter the captcha and after that click on login button. With this you can log in inside. So now let's enter this. So now you have logged in. Now again you need to go on bottom and click on apply for YUVIKA registration. So now let's click here. Now here it says please wait for some time. Now here all the steps are mentioned. So first you need to participate in quiz. After that you need to fill few details. Then you need to download your certificate. Then you need to upload the document and finally your form will get submit. So here message is also written to you. Dear student, participate in space quiz to continue your registration. So you can join in quiz by clicking here join quiz. So now let's click on join quiz. Again you need to enter your login ID which is your email and your password for the quiz. So now let's log in for the quiz. So now here it says Yuvika online quiz, participate in quiz. And again few guideline, there will be 30 question, out of which first 10 question will be of section A, thereafter 10 question will be of section B, and last 10 question will be of section C. For section A, if your answer is correct, you are going to get plus 3 marks, and for wrong answer you are going to get minus 1. So marks obtained formula will be 3R minus W, means 3 into right question minus wrong question. Then section B is similar way. For right answer you are going to get plus 6 marks, and for wrong answer you are going to get minus 2 marks. Then marks obtained formula will be 6R minus 2W. For section C, for right answer you are going to get plus 9 marks, and for wrong answer you are going to get minus 3 marks. So total marks formula will be 9R minus 3W. Remember, every participant will get only one time only to attempt this quiz, and total time is 30 minutes. So now let's click on participate quiz to participate here. Now again here new activity information, activity date and all they have mentioned. So now let's enter here, and here again few instructions is given to you. So now let's click on Yuvika quiz 2026. Now click on attempt quiz now to attempt it. So now let's click here. So here again start attempt. Now your quiz is started. This is the first question, and now here they are going to show you the marks, how much you have scored. So now let's click on return to Yuvika. Now after the quiz you can go to the next stage, which is registration. So now let's click on next button. Now here you need to enter your personal detail like your name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, parents detail, your school detail, then participation in science fair and all. Then check this box and click on save and next button. Next one is download certificate. So here whatever information you have filled is shown to you. You need to take the declaration by parents, their signature, then bona fide certificate which it should be signed by the school principal with stamp, then student signature, and after that you can click on print and next button. So now let's click here. Next you need to upload few documents. Like first document which you need to upload is your passport size photograph, then certificate from school principal, then your mark statement of class 8, then certificate of participation in science fair if you have chosen, then in any sports competition, then certificate of participation in scout and guide, participation in Olympiad, then guideline is also given to you. You just need to upload all and click on next button, and in the last stage you need to submit it finally. So student, Yuvika is not just a program, it is the opportunity to visit ISRO, meet scientists, experience real space science, build confidence at young age. If you truly love science, don't miss this opportunity. If you found this video helpful, like the video, hype the video, share it with other friends, subscribe to the channel for more science and exam guidance video. If you have any doubt about Yuvika registration, write your question in the comment. I will personally reply. Thank you and best of luck, future scientist.